Hi everyone, my name is Sarah Johnson. Um, I work at a agency in Philadelphia that provides a multiple number of services to children and their families. A couple of them being court-ordered visitations, and a connection to different programs that may help families who are at risk of being divided by the foster care system. And we also do provide foster care assistance as well. So that was just added to the agency. And one thing I enjoy about this agency is it's put me back in helping out with children and families, as I haven't worked in an internship like that since junior year of my bachelor's level degree. So I really like getting back into that, seeing what's changed about the system. One challenge I've probably faced is kind of learning my boundaries with families, because part of my role there as an intern was working with court-ordered visitations, which meant I supervised families when they spent time together and took notes on their interaction. And some of the families are very friendly, very chatty, and sometimes it's easy to forget your role as a social worker, and it seems like you're just talking to them casually as a friend, which you don't want to always do. One thing I have learned about myself throughout this experience so far is definitely my ability to work with children and families, and seeing it as something I could do in the future, because right now I do work in a nursing home, so that typically works with the elderly people, although that is changing a lot. But so I see myself now as a more versatile social worker at this point. So I'm looking forward to the rest of the semester at my internship, and I'm also looking forward to hearing about what you guys have learned throughout your internship as well. Thanks, and talk to you all soon.